Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Clubhouse on Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To download Clubhouse app, first open the Play Store on your device. Tap the search bar at the top and type in Clubhouse. Tap Clubhouse app when it appears in the search result. Now tap on the install button. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is completed, tap Open to launch the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.